Hello students, come to the class number 24. 24th class, this one? Class 24. See, in the previous class we have discussed some formulas, we have transformed some formulas and then we have calculated a few examples in the last class. Now let us I recall once again the formulas, students. I recall the formulas. See how to remember. Sin C plus sin D is equal to first sin then cos. Sin C plus sin D is equal to first sin then cos. Sin C minus sin D, first cos then sin. Cos C plus cos D, both cos C minus cos D, both sin with negative sign, So this is about the sum and these two are sum and these two are a difference. Sum and difference in terms of product formulas. How to remember? Sin C plus sin D. See the students here. First sin C plus D by 2, C minus D by 2 common it is. C plus D by 2, C minus D by 2 common it is. Sin C minus sin D. First cos then sin. Cos C plus cos D, both cos. And cos C minus cos D, both sin. So this is C plus D by 2, C minus D by 2 is common for all the sin C plus sin D, cos sin C minus sin D, cos C plus cos D and cos C minus cos D. Product formulas: sin x into cos y, sin into cos. See, 1 by 2 into sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y. Cos x into sin y. First cos means negative it is. First cos x into sin y. Sin of x plus y minus of sin of x minus y. Product formula: sin 20 cos 10. Cos 10 sin 20, like that, any values. Then cos x into cos y, cos x plus y plus of cos x minus y. Sin x into sin y. These formulas here we have transformed from that compound angle cos of x plus y, cos of x minus y formulas. We have transformed, we have done the make into these formulas into sum and difference and product forms. Cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y. This is sum and products. It is. So these are the four formulas here we have discussed in the previous class. Now let us see. Now next come to in the previous class we have calculated some examples and some homeworks also I have given the students here. I hope you have calculated the homework. I think you have calculated the homeworks. Now I continue the next example, students. I will continue the next examples. Now see the next examples. Sum and difference product formulas here. So you know how to remember these formulas. You should remember all these formulas here. So these formulas here we have transformed. Now come to the next examples. Prove that you have, I have calculated sin 15, cos 15 in the previous class, tan 15, cos 75 I have calculated. I have given homework sin 75, tan 75, sin 105, cos 105, tan of 105 degrees. I hope these are given homework. in the previous class. I hope you have calculated these examples same time as you have calculated these 4. Now next I continue the examples, friends. Next I continue the examples. Now see the examples. Prove that see the cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus of sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to prove that sin pi by 4 sin of pi by 4 minus x sin of cos of pi by 4 minus x cos of pi by 4 minus y minus of sin of pi by 4 minus x sin of pi by 4 minus of y is equal to sin of x plus y. Sin of x plus y. Now let us see the students. Sin of x plus y. You have to prove that sin of x plus y. Let us taking LHS. LHS is equal to cos of pi by 4 minus x into cos of pi by 4 minus y minus sin of pi by 4 minus x into sin of pi by 4 minus of y. Pi by 4 minus of y. LHS is taken here. Now tell me the students, in which form it is? See, this is it in the form of cos x cos y minus sin x into sin y? Cos x cos y into sin minus of sin x into sin y. You know very well, cos of x plus y is equal to, see the students, is it same time cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. See, x is same, y is same, x and x same, and y should be same. This x should be same and y should be same. Is it possible to apply this formula? Cos of it becomes what? Cos of x plus y. What is x here? Pi by 4 minus x. What is y? Pi by 4 minus y. See, x is pi by 4 minus x, y is pi by 4 minus y. Is it in the form of cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. See what it becomes? Cos of x plus y it is. Is it cos of x plus y? Cos of x. What is x? Plus. So opposite sign. Plus of y. Cos of x plus y it is. Simplify this one. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4. Is it a pi by 2? Pi by 2. Minus x minus y. Shall I write minus x minus y like that? Minus taking common. Shall I write minus of x plus y? Shall I write like that? Minus x minus y. This pi by 4 plus pi by 4 becomes pi by 2. This minus I took common. Minus of x plus y. What is this? Cos of pi by 2 minus theta. Is it a sin theta? What is theta here? Is it a sin of x plus y? Is it a sin of x plus y? This is equal to RHS. Is it equal to RHS? This is equal to RHS. This is equal to RHS. Clear this one, students? Now next come to the next examples. We'll go for the next example. Just here we have applied cos of x plus y formula. This cos x minus y formula. What is cos x minus y? X plus y, cos x cos y minus of sin x into sin y. This formula here we have applied. Clear, students? LHS we have taken, it is in the form of cos x cos y minus sin x into sin y. It becomes what? Cos of x plus of y. This is x and this is y. Cos of x plus y. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4, pi by 2 minus x and minus y. It is minus taking common, minus of x plus y. So cos 90 minus theta. It is pi by 2 means 90 minus theta. What is cos 90 minus theta? Sin theta. It becomes a sin of theta. Now see the next example. Come to the next example. Prove that. Let us will go for the next example. Sin of n plus 1 into x into n plus 2 into x plus cos of n plus 1 into x into cos of n plus 2 into x is equal to cos x. See what you have to prove? Cos x you have to prove. See, you write down you take the LHS here, sin n plus 1 into x into sin of n plus 2 into x plus of cos of n plus 1 into x, cos of n plus 2 into x. This is your example, students here. Let us take LHS. LHS is equal to sin n plus 1 into x, sin n plus 2 into x plus of cos n plus 1 into x into cos n plus 2 into x. This is your LHS here. See which form it is. Cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y. Cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y. See the formula here. What is cos x minus y? Cos x cos y, opposite side, plus sin x into sin y. You know, for cos sum and difference, you have the opposite sign. For the sin sum and difference, same sign formula. Is it a sin x sin y plus cos x plus cos y? In the first term, this one is given, and second term, this one. Is it possible, right? Is it possible, right? Sin x sin y plus cos x into cos y. Is it possible, right? Like that? Yes, he given like that. Sin x sin y plus cos x cos y. What it becomes? Cos of x minus y. What is x? N plus 1 into x. What is y? N plus 2 into x. X and y. This is x and this is y. So is it becomes a cos of x minus y. So therefore this is equal to cos of x minus y. What is x? N plus 1 into x minus n plus 2 into x. This is x and y. This is x and this is y. It is cos of x minus y. Because, see the students, cos of x minus y. I hope, are you getting the students? I hope you are getting the students here. Cos of x minus y. Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Cos of x minus of y. Simplify this one. Inside whatever it may be. Cos of. Simplify. Nx. Here x taking inside here. N into x. N in x into 1. Minus of. Minus outside. N into x. Minus outside. Minus 2x. Plus nx. Minus nx get cancelled. Is it get cancelled? Plus and minus nx. What remains? See, cos of plus x minus 2x. Plus x minus 2x. Is it a minus x? Plus x minus 2x. Is it a minus x? What is cos of minus theta? What is cos of minus theta? Plus cos theta. Except cos and sec. Remaining all are positives. Sorry, except cos and sec, remaining all are negatives. Cos of minus theta becomes cos theta, sec of minus theta becomes plus sec theta, but remaining the trigonometric functions becomes what? Negativities. This is cos of minus theta and sec of minus theta are positive, remaining are negatives. Is it clear all of you the students? Same type example it is, but here what is given? First sine term is given. First sine term is given. Clear all of you the students here? Yes. Now next come to the, next we will go for the one more example. We will go for the next example. Next example. Now see the next example. Prove that cos 23 degree, cos 20 degree minus sin 23 degree, sin 20 degree is equal to cos of 43 degree. Cos 23 cos 20 minus sin 23 sin 20 is equal to cos of 43 degree. Same type, taking LHS. This type of questions he may ask for the value of, for the CET also, cos 23 cos 20 minus sin 23 sin 20. This is equal to what it becomes? Is it in the form of which form it is? Cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x into sin y. Is it in the form? Your LHS is in this form it is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. X is how much? 23 degree. Y is 20 degree. X is 23, y is 20 degree. Clear this is? Yes, 23 and 20 degrees. So therefore, this is equal to cos of 23 degree plus 20 degree x plus y. It becomes x plus y, cos of x plus y. So therefore, how much it becomes? Cos 23 plus 20. Is it a 43 degree? Is it your RHS? This is your RHS. Cos of 23 degree. Clear the students it is? So this type of, you have to calculate the example. So next I will go for the next examples. Let us see the next example. We will go for the next example. Cos of x plus y using this formula. Now we will go for the next. Now next, come to the next example. See, the next example is prove that cos 7x plus cos 5x divided by sin 7x plus sin minus of sin 5x is equal to cot x. See the students? What is the problem? Cos 7x plus cos 5x divided by sin 7x minus sin 5x is equal to cot x you have to prove. LHS is equal to, I will write the LHS. Cos 7x plus cos 5x divided by sin 7x minus of sin of 5x. Which form it is? Cos c plus cos d. Denominator sin c minus sin d. What is cos c plus cos d? What is cos c plus cos d? Both cos. Both cos. Cos c plus cos d. Sin c minus sin d. First cos, then sin. First cos, then sin. Cos c plus cos d divided by sin c minus sin d. So these are the, apply the formula here students. Cos c plus cos d. How to remember? I have told both cos. sin c minus sin d, first cos then sin, first cos then sin. So this is both cos. C plus d by 2, c plus d by 2, c is 7x, d is 5x, c plus d by 2 into cos of 7x plus 5x minus c minus d by 2, c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2, c plus d by 2, c minus of d by 2. Sin c minus sin d, first cos then sin, first cos, c plus d by 2, then sin, c minus d by 2, c minus d by 2. Product formulas. Is it product formula? Then simplify this one. 2 into cos of 7x plus 5x, 12x, 12x by 2, 6x, into cos of 7x minus 5x, 2x, 2x by 2x, divided by 2 into cos of 7x plus 5x, 12x, divided by 2, 6x it is, 7x minus 5x, 2x divided by 2, x it is, sin of x. 2 cos 6x, 2 cos 6x get cancelled. You may cancel here also. What remain? Cos x by sin x. What is cos x by sin x? Cot x. Is it your RHS? This is your RHS, students. This is your RHS. Clear all of you? Cos c, I repeat once again this one. Cos c plus cos d. Sin c minus sin d. Applying. C is what? 7x. D is 5x. C and D. Simplifying. Both cos here. C plus D by 2. C minus D by 2. Both cos. Sin C minus sin D. First cos then sin D. Sin C plus sin D. First sin then cos. Like that. Applying here. This is sin C minus sin D. First cos then sin. C plus D by 2. C minus D by 2. Simplification. Then cos x by sin x remain. Cot x it is. Cos x by sin x remain. It is cot of x. Now next, come to the next example. We'll go for the next example similarly. See the students. We'll go for the next example. Prove that. We'll go for the next example. Cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x is equal to minus of sin 2x divided by cos 10x. 2x divided by cos of 10x. Let us, I will write the LHS, students, here. Let us, I will write the LHS, and then we will see which type of the formulas you need. LHS. Cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus of sin 3x. This is your LHS here. What you need? Cos C minus of cos D. Cos C minus cos D. Or you have a cos C minus cos D. Sin C minus sin D, already it is there. Sin C minus sin D. You want cos C minus cos D. I will write the formula of cos C minus cos D. What is cos C minus cos D? Both sine with negative sign. Both sine with negative sign. Both sine with negative sign. Clear all of you? Cos C plus cos D. Both cos. Cos C minus cos D, both sine with negative sign. Sin C plus sin D, first sin then cos. Sin C minus sin D, first cos then sin. Like that you should remember. Substitute the formula, students, here. Both sine minus 2 into sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. C plus D by 2, C minus D by 2. Divided by sin C minus sin D, first cos, then sin, then sin. Simplify it. Simplify the students here. This is equal to minus 2 into sin of, see, 9x plus 5x, 14x, 14x divided by 2, 7x. 9x plus 5x, 14x divided by 2. The next into sine of 9x minus 5x, 4x, 4x divided by 2, 2x, divided by 2 into cos of 17x plus 3x, 20x, 20x divided by 2, 10x, into sine of 17x minus 3x, 14x, 14x divided by 2, 7x. Is it sine 7x? This sine 7x get cancelled. These two get cancelled. Product form it is what remain? See what remain the students here? Minus of sine 2x minus of sine 2x divided by what? Cos of 10x. Cos of 10x. Is it your RHS? See, is it your RHS students here? This is your RHS. This is your RHS. Just whatever the formulas are there, according to that what you need, you have to apply that formulas. Now next, come to the next example. This is what? Cos 9x minus of cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus of sin of 3x. So you have proved minus of sin 2x divided by cos of 10x. Now next, come to the next example. Now let us see the next example. We'll go for the next example. Prove that. See the next example. Sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y is equal to tan of x plus y. Tan of x minus y by 2. Tan of x minus y by 2. See the students, sin of x minus y divided by cos of x plus y is equal to tan of x minus y. Let us taking LHS here also. LHS is equal to sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y. Taking LHS. What is sin x minus sin y? Sin x minus sin y, sin c minus sin d. First cos then sin. First cos then sin apply. First cos c plus d by 2. C is x, d is y, into sin c minus d by 2 into c minus d by 2 divided by cos x plus cos y. Both cos x plus y by 2 into x minus y by 2. Both c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2. Both cos. See the students here. 2 cos of x plus y, 2 times of cos of x plus y is the same term. Product it is get cancelled it is. What remain? Sin of x minus y by 2 divided by cos of x minus y by 2. What is sin of x minus y by 2 divided by cos of x minus y by 2? Is it a tan of x minus y by 2? This is your RHS. This is your RHS students here. This is your RHS. Next, come to the next one. I will go for the next students. I think completed this one. Whatever the formulas are there, you have to apply that formula. Here, sin c minus sin d, cos c plus cos d. Just apply and simplify. Whatever we have transformed the formula, transformation formula. Next. Now see the next students. Prove that sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x is equal to tan of 4x. See the students, is equal to tan of 4x. Tan of 4x. Take LHS. Write down the LHS. LHS is equal to, simplify the students here. You may calculate yourself. Write down. LHS. Sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x. What is the formula? Sin c plus sin d. Cos c plus cos d. Here sin c plus sin d is not there. Here I am writing the sin c plus sin d. What is sin c plus sin d? First sin, then cos, First sine, then cos. Let us see first sine, then cos. Substitute. First sine C plus D into cos C minus D divided by both cos C plus D into C minus D divided by 2. Sin C plus D by 2, sin C plus sin D, and cos C plus cos D. Sin C plus sin D and cos C plus cos D. First sin, then cos, both cos. Both are cos. Simplification. Simplifying the students here. 2 sin of 5x plus 3x, 8x. 8x divided by 2, 4x. Into cos of 5x minus 3x, 2x divided by 2x it is. You may cancel here also. Both the terms are same. Product it is. 2 into cos of 5x plus 3x, 8x. 8x divided by 2, 4x. Into cos of 5x minus 3x, 2x divided by 2, x it is. 2 to get cancelled. What I mean? Sin 4x divided by cos 4x. What is sin 4x divided by cos 4x? Tan of 4x. This is your RHS. This is your RHS, students here. Sin C plus sin D, cos C plus of cos D. Sin C sin D plus cos C plus of cos D. Yes. Now next, we'll go for the next examples. I hope you are getting here. Just applying the formulas here and simplification. Just applying and simplifying. Now let us see the next. Let us see the next example. Now see the next one. We'll go for the next example. Yes, come to the next example. Let us see. Prove that sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x is equal to tan of 2x. Let us calculate the students here yourself. Take LHS, simplify it. Let us calculate this one, students. Take LHS, sin C plus sin D, and cos C plus cos D. Apply sin C plus sin D, and cos C plus cos D, cos C plus cos D, and simplify it. Cos C plus cos D, both cos. Sin C plus sin D, first sin, then cos. Apply there. I hope you are calculating this one, sir. Calculate this one. Calculate yourself. Very simple it is. When sum of two terms, then applying here the sum formula. Difference formula applying as we have calculated in the previous class. This is sin C plus sin D, cos C plus cos D. Apply here. Are you getting this one, sir? I think tan 2x you will get. This is your sin C plus sin D. First sin, then cos. First sin, then cos. Both cos. Both cos. Simplify. 2 times of sin of x plus 3x 4x, x minus 3x minus 2x minus x. In the denominator also same. What is cos of minus theta? Plus cos theta. Cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. Yes, this 2 to get cancelled here. Sin 2x. Cos of minus x plus cos x, or you may cancel it also. Sin 2x by cos 2x, is it a tan 2x? Is it your RHS? I hope you have calculated. I have given the time. I think you have completed the students. This is what? Sin 3x, sin x, cos x plus cos 3x. So is equal to tan of 2x. The next, we'll go for the next one. Here what we are calculating today, these formulas here, using these formulas. Let us see the students, this one. Prove that sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 times of sin x. What? Sin x minus of sin 3x divided by sin square x minus of cos square x. Let us see this, students, here. Take LHS. Take LHS. LHS is equal to sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus of cos square x. Sin square x minus of cos square x. So in the numerator only it is possible to apply sin c minus sin d. Denominator is one sin square and cos square terms. Not possible. You don't have in terms of squares. You have only sum and difference formula. Sin c plus sin d, cos c plus cos d. Let us see. Here applying in the numerator sin c minus sin d. What it is? First cos, then sin. First cos, then sin. First cos c plus d by 2, then sin c minus d by 2. C minus d by 2 divided by, shall I write this one, student, like that, minus taking common? Shall I write this sin square x minus cos square x as a cos square x minus sin square x? Is it possible, right? Minus sin taken common here. Here I have taken minus sin common here. Cos square x minus of sin square x. This is equal to 2 cos, see, x plus 3x, 4x. 4x by 2, 2x it is. Into sin of x minus 3x minus 2x. Divided by 2, sin of minus x divided by minus as it is. What is cos 2 theta? One of the formula of cos 2 theta. What you have proved? Is it a cos square theta minus sin square theta? What is cos 2x? Cos square x minus sin square x. Cos square x minus of sin square x. This becomes a cos 2x, students. Yes, this becomes a cos 2x. Is it clear, all of you, the students here? Cos of 2x. So this cos of 2x, this cos of 2x get cancelled. What remain? 2 into, next, what is my sin of minus theta? What is sin of minus theta? Is it minus sin theta? I have just reminded. Cos of minus theta and sec of minus theta are becomes positive, remaining all the trigonometry functions comes outside that negative sign. Is it a minus of sin x? This is minus of sin x, this minus sign comes outside. What remain in the denominator? Minus 1 remain. This minus sign get cancelled. Minus sign get cancelled it is. Is it remains only 2 sin x? Is it ever RHS, students? Is it only 2 sin x remains it is? Is it equal to RHS? This is your RHS. This is your RHS. So this is sin x minus of sin 3x divided by sin square x minus of cos square of x. So see here what here? Here applied the sin c minus sin d, students here. Here we have applied the sin c minus sin d. In the denominator sin square minus cos square x. So we have taken the negative sign outside. Cos square x minus sin square x. It becomes minus sign we have taken outside here. Cos square x minus sin square x. First cos, then sin c minus sin d, cos, first cos then sin. Cos square x minus sin square x, cos of 2x. Cos of 2x. Minus sign taken common here. So here simplified here. First cos then sin, minus sign taken common here. So this is what? Cos square theta minus sin square theta, cos 2x. It becomes this minus sign as it is here, minus sin 1 here. Then after simplifying, this is cos 2x. X minus 3x minus 2x divided by 2 minus x. Sin of minus x. What is sin of minus theta? Minus sin theta. So this minus sign get cancelled here. So this remains what it is? 2 sin x remains here. This remains what it is? 2 times of sin x. So with this, I conclude the today's class, students here. Whatever we have calculated in the today's, these 4 examples, these 4 formulas here, whatever we have calculated examples on using these 4 formulas here, whatever we have transformed in the previous class, cos C plus cos D, cos C minus cos D, sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D. So using these formulas, we have simplified the today's class. So with this, I conclude the today's class, students here. I continue the next class. Thank you, students. Thank you.